buy happiness.
Excellent. I think this girl said it very well. Money can't buy happiness. You can have all the wealth in the world, but you need your family, you need your loved ones around you. I think the play was excellent, but the best person to speak on the play will be the person who has worked single-handedly, heart and soul from the entire production. Can I have Sonia Shah to say a few words?
Powerhouse Chili Padi.
Can we have the lights on, please? Ruben, hall lights, Ruben. Can you see me? It's all in the jeans, short. Okay, hello everybody. Can we have the spotlight to the side, please? Jai Jinendra, Jai Shri Krishna. No other word lah. Standard Chartered is boring. Okay, this play is not my effort alone. That is just what they say. I think it was a team effort. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our play, how we started. We began with thinking of doing Mahavir Bhagwan's 27 Janam. But frankly, we didn't know what was happening in the Janam. We didn't know how to actually come up with a play. And that time, Baju Mama was watching Lage Raho Munna Bhai Ko. So that is where we picked the whole idea. And just to introduce, Milan is our Munna. Milan, come up. Lage Raho! And Hiren, where's Hiren? Hiren, wherever you are, come down. When we came up with the idea first, that they're going to be part of the crowd, anak kecil. Pelah છે ને અમે જે શરૂઆત કરી ને પ્રોગ્રામ એટલે અમે બધા દીપકભાઈના ઘરમાં હતા અને પછી આપણો આઈડિયા હતું કે પેલો શબ્દ જે નીકળે એ બકવાસ 2 કલાક બગાડ્યો આવ બેકાર છે દીપકભાઈનો માવીજી ઇન્દિરા મમ્મી તો બી ગયા ઘરમાં હતા ને કીધું તમે આવું બધું શું what are you all saying? You know, how can you talk about Deepak like that? I said, Mommy, relax, it's just a play. But then the play I think came up to its peak because of all of these people. Jitesh Bhai, Preeti, Alpa, Mindesh, and most importantly, Mahavir Bhagwan. Mahavir Bhagwan, frankly now we just call him Mahavir Bhagwan, we have forgotten his name. And then you have Dhruv, Saroj Kaki, Deepak Bhai, Rohil. I think without this team, we couldn't have done anything. 2 important elves. Whenever you call them, they say yes. Don't worry, Sonia, everything will get done. They will be there. I'm screaming, I'm shouting. Shikha and Nikki. Thank you very much, guys. But when we wanted to do this play, there were a lot of things we wanted. We wanted a good DJ, we wanted spotlights, we wanted headsets. And there was never a time where Deepak Bhai told us no. But Deepak Bhai is just the background. I think we need to give a round of hand for Vinanti. So she holds the whole function. From bringing us food for practices, to getting us tea, to making sure that everybody is there. Thank you very much, Vinanti. And as Saroj, without you we cannot do anything. And another important, very important, was the children. All I had to do was call them, guys, I need some help, you want to put up a dance, please come and help. Nobody said no. Not one kid, not any of the parents. We had practices till 1 o'clock at night and nobody said anything. So, to the drinkers, to the gamblers, to the smokers, to the gang fight boys, thank you very much. I have nothing more to say, just that it's a team effort. I hope you guys enjoyed the show and remember the point that we are trying to say. Party, item, ambil, samai, pratikaman is important, but the most important is respect, love, care, and to tell the truth. Thank you. Oh, wait, sorry. I forgot 2 very important people. Rashmi Bhai and Rakshaben. They are Mahavir Bhagwan's parents and I don't know if you know them. Can you stand up, please? All the Gujarati that you hear because ours is terrible. It is their effort and Jitesh Bhai's. They wrote the dialogue, they came up with it. Alright, Jai Shirendra, Jai Shri Krishna, thank you. Thank you my gang, thank you for coming.
So I guess what they say is true. Behind every successful man, there is a very, very hard-working lady.
And all good things come in small packages.
Yeah, that was the message. Okay, before we continue, every year the Damani Indira Vrajla Charitable Fund hosts a charity event. I seriously thought we had covered all the charities in the world, from opening up libraries in school, hosting old folks, taking children for a movie, the orphans for a movie. Even animals, we have looked into the welfare of animals as well. And I really thought that this year Deepak Kaka said, okay, Tiku, you don't take care of the charity event. But guess what? Somehow when there is a good cause to lend a helping hand to, you will never find a shortage. This year we are focusing our efforts on abandoned and abused women. We have worked together with the Women Aid organization. This organization looks after abused women. Now they are not abused as in whacked up. They can be whacked up, but these are women who are emotionally as well as physically abused by husbands who are alcoholics, or husbands who are in jail for petty crime and they cannot support the women. So these women are supported by the Women's Aid organization. This year, tomorrow morning, we are handing over to them 7,200 ringgit worth of groceries, medical supplies, detergent, anything and everything that you name, that you need to live. The minute you need to live, you need everything. We are giving it to them tomorrow morning. So this year, our charitable act is with the abused and abandoned women of the Women's Aid organization. So Jitesh bhai, how do you remember celebrating Mahavir Jayanti back home in India?
In India, the best part about Mahavir Jayanti was public holiday, yeah. That was the only thing back home.
You know what? They declared Thaipusam a public holiday. We will ask Dato' Bupatra to go and get Mahavir Jayanti for holiday. Who agrees with me? Raise your hands. Yes, for those of you who agree with me, kindly submit your petition to our Dato' and he will propose it so that we all can get Mahavir Jayanti off. Because there's a lot of work that goes to it.
એમના ઘરે જઈને personally letter આપી આવજો બધા.
Okay, I think we are almost reaching the end of the function. Can we please call... I think we forgot something. You remember what we forgot?
How can you forget that?
Yeah. What I forgot?
Speeches.
I know.
And you know from whom?
I also know that.
Yeah.
Can we please have the president of the Gujarati Association, Vilayat Pradesh and Selangor, to say a few words?
बोलो जैन शासन देव की, बोलो महावीर प्रभु जी की, बोलो गणपति दादा की, जय जिनेन्द्र ने जय श्री कृष्ण. बाळको, वडीलो, भाइयों, बहनों, it is indeed an honor to be given this opportunity. आज મને મોકો આપેલ છે આ પ્રસંગે બે શબ્દ બોલવાના, તેનો હું ખૂબ જ આભારી છું. On behalf of each and every one of us here, the management committee of the Gujarati Association, Kuala Lumpur, I would like to congratulate the Damani Parivar with their jewel, Mr. Deepak Damani, for having, with so much of love and enthusiasm, continue to celebrate Mahavir Jayanti on a very, very grand scale. We are proud of the Damani Parivar. ને આ સમયે મારે ખાસ બધાને, જે ભાઈઓ બહેનો તમે અહીંયા વડીલો બેઠા છો, ખાસ સૂચના કરવી છે કે પ્રેમથી આગળ વધીને આવા પ્રસંગો ઉજવો. તમારી એવી સૂચના આઈડિયા હોય, we will give full support to all your ideas. But my appeal મારી ખાસ વિનંતી છે, નમ્ર વિનંતી છે કે જે તમે પ્રોગ્રામ કરો, જો સમાજની છત્ર છાયાની નીચે કરો, તેનો ઉમંગ, એનો આનંદ, એની મર્યાદા એ ખૂબ જ ઊંડી છે, ખૂબ આનંદની વાત છે. Everyone who wish to undertake any activity, individual, otherwise, it is our humble appeal that it should be carried out under the umbrella of organizations. ને આપણા મહાવીર ભગવાનના સૂચનામાં તમે જુઓ તો ચતુર્વિધ સંઘ કહે છે. સંઘ એટલે સમાજ. ને સાધુ સંતો કહે છે કે અમારા મા બાપ એ સંઘ છે. તો સંઘને માન આપવું, સંઘની છત્રછાયાની નીચે કામ કરવું એક મર્યાદાનું કામ છે, એક મૂલ્ય કામ છે. ને સમાજની નીચે શા માટે કહું છું તમે કરો? અત્યારે જે આપણે અહીંયા જોઈ રહ્યા છે, જે આપણા બાળકો અહીંયા આપણે કરી રહ્યા છે, એ એકતાથી થયું છે. દીપક દામાણી પરિવારે આગળ વધી ઇનિશિયેટિવ લીધી, પણ જેમાં સાથ આપેલ છે, મહેનત કરેલ છે, એ પાછળ સમાજના બાળકો છે, સમાજની છત્રછાયા છે. એટલા માટે મારે ખાસ વિનંતી છે, જો આ સમાજને હજી આગળ લઈ આવવો હોય તો આ જે એકતા છે એ એવી રીતે સાચવજો કે કોઈ એમાં અથડાય નહીં, પ્રેમથી આગળ વધે. કારણ કે એકતા વિના, તમારા પરિવારમાં જો એકતા નહીં હોય, આપણા સમાજની અંદર એકતા નહીં હોય, તો આ જે આપણે આનંદ ઉજવી રહ્યા છે, ખૂબ આનંદથી આપણે જે કરી રહ્યા છે, તે જોવા માટે બહુ તકલીફ પડશે. બીજી વાત, આજે જે બાળકો, આઈ મસ્ટ સલ્યુટ ઓલ ધોઝ પીપલ આગળ જે અહીંયા સ્ટેજ ઉપર જેને આજે પાત્ર બજાવેલા છે, ઓલ ધોઝ children who acted today, they were far excellent. Put your hands together. Today, our children taught us many of those things. અહંકાર ન રાખો એ આપણા છોકરાઓ, આપણે બાળકો શીખડાવે છે. આપણે એ કહે છે કે આપણા બાળકોને શીખડાવો, પણ today our children are teaching us. વર્ડ્સવર્થ છે ને, એક પોએટ, ઇંગ્લિશ પોએટ થઈ ગયો છે. એને કેટલા વર્ષો પહેલા, આજથી 300-400 વર્ષ પહેલાનો પોએટ હતો. એ કહે છે, ધ ચાઇલ્ડ ઇઝ ધ ફાધર ઓફ મેન. આ બાળકો બધા આપણે શીખડાવે છે. અહંકારની વાત કરી, પ્રેમની વાત કરી, વ્યસન કેવી રીતે બાળકો નીચે તમે જુઓ, સિગરેટ પીતા હતા, દારૂ પીતા હતા, પત્તા રમતા હતા. તો આપણે કહીએ છીએ કે આ બધું સારું નથી. સો આજે મારે ખાસ વિનંતી છે, all the children here, make sure you go back and tell your parents what is right and what is wrong. Okay? The children must take the lead. Today the children will be our future leaders and they will make sure જૈન ધર્મનું પાલન થાય, સમાજનું પાલન થાય, તેવી જ રીતે તમારા પરિવારમાં સુખ ને આનંદ મળે. આજે મહાવીર જયંતિનો દિવસ છે. મહાવીર ભગવાનનો જો કોઈ અમૂલ્ય વચન હોય તો ત્યાગનો ધર્મ કહે છે. Sacrifice, detachment. I want all the children to promise me. Children, are you listening? Everybody? Say yes. Children, all put up your hands. One. Children, you must, as far as possible, actually, all of you are promised to be vegetarians? All promise. Who takes chicken? Milan. Children, it's a humble appeal. All of you all, make sure. I apologize to those parents જેના ધર્મમાં કદાચ આવતું હોય કે તમે બધું લઈ શકો એના માટે હું નથી કહેતો. મને માફ કરજો. આજે મહાવીર જયંતિના દિવસે જે જૈન ધર્મ કુળમાં જન્મેલા છે તેવી જ રીતે મેં જે થોડોક ઇતિહાસ સાંભળેલ છે. આખા કાઠિયાવાડમાં વૈષ્ણવ કે જૈન એક સમયે મુસલમાને વેજીટેરિયન હતા. તો મારી એવી આજે સૂચના છે કે બધા બાળકો make sure you remain vegetarians all your life. That is the vow you must take today. Okay? Remain vegetarian. And for your success, જિંદગીમાં અંદર ઘણીવાર આપણે એમ થાય છે કે મારી હોશિયારીથી હું કમાણો છો. કોઈની હોશિયારી નથી. એવા તમારા ધર્મના ગુણો યા ભવના હશે, મા બાપનો હાથ હશે માશે, એના આશીર્વાદ હશે. ઘણા આપણા કરતાં ઘણી મહેનત કરે છે પણ નથી પામી શકતા. ઘણાને અહંકાર થાય કે હું જ આ કરી શકો છો. એ ખોટી વાત છે. એટલા માટે જે સંપથી જે ક્ષમતાથી મેળવી શકે, ધર્મથી મેળવી શકે, તો children, especially the youths, avoid cigarettes if you can. Take a vow today. Cigarettes, see all the children, parents who are taking cigarettes, stop it if you can. Liquor, I would love, say no, but it's your choice. તમે બધા મોટા થઈ ગયા. બાળકોને કહું છો, મોટાને નથી કહી શકતો. બાળકોને કહું છો, you don't have to take liquor, you don't have to smoke, you don't have to eat meat to be successful in life. You don't have to do that. I guarantee, in the presence of Lord Mahavir, we can achieve many, many things in life. Happiness, material things also will come. But stay truthful, stay away from what we have been told to stay away from. Children, so have I an assurance from all of you all vegetarians? No smoking? Milan? Hiren? Oh, he's a Jain. Okay. I'm very proud of all of you all. It was a wonderful show. The messages you passed to all of us was fantastic. Once again, to Deepak and the Damani Parivar, we are proud of you. Continue, and the Samaj support 101% will be with you. આપણે 3 વાર મહાવીર પ્રભુની જય બોલાવી, ગણપતિ દાદાની જય બોલાવી ને પછી હું અહીંથી રજા લઉં. ઓકે? બોલો મહાવીર પ્રભુજી की જય. હાથ ઊંચો કરીને કહો, બોલો મહાવીર પ્રભુજી की જય. બોલો મહાવીર પ્રભુજી की જય. બોલો ગણપતિ દાદા की જય. થેન્ક યુ. ભૂલ ચૂક માફ કરજો.
I'm sorry I'm back. I've got a few things to say. I forgot a few people, especially Din Dukiano team. You know who you are. Atulbhai and Jigna and Sonal, very importantly, always there to help. Another important thing that I think you guys don't know is that Jitesh Bhai is not a Jain. Jitesh Bhai is not a Jain. He's a Vaishnav by birth. And every day for practices he has been here on time in Deepak Bhai's house eating Jain food, and he has done 3 ambils, 4 ambils. Every day practices until 1:30 in the morning. I'm not joking, seriously. And we are all still eating and drinking and Jain nasi lemak and whatever. He's having ambil. So I think one round of applause.
Just an announcement that I have to make. On the 27th of April, Sunday, Sports Plaza, 9 a.m., youth futsal, open to all girls and boys in the age range of 15 to 35 years old. Please make sure you're fit. We don't want to see you collapsing on the field. For more details, please contact Misha Avlani and Preeti Patel. Jitesh Bhai, come now faster. Our turn now. People are taking the mic all away from us. I want to ask you a question. Who do call when you're in trouble?
When I'm in trouble,
Yeah, when you have a problem, who is the first person that comes to your mind?
my boss, my housewife, my John.
That's all. No one
મારી
else.
બીજાની હિંમત છે બીજા કોઈને બોલાવો યાર.
True. Actually, I call Gerald. But today I learned something else. You know who we can call upon? We asked them whether they realized or not in the play. Who wants to answer? When you're in a problem and you're having a hard, difficult day at school, you can't be at work. Who will you call? Below the ages of 10 to reply. Who do you call upon and what do you say? Excellent, this boy learns fast, correct? So we learned something new today. In trouble, cannot get parking, you go to Met Valley, you drive, cannot Nokar mantra 3 times. Guaranteed parking, in front of you the parking will come. Okay? Remember, it's the Nokar mantras that work. I started saying it 3 times before I leave the house. I never used to say it, but now I make a conscious effort before I step up, I step back in, Nokar 3 times, then I get out again. Okay? No parking, boss giving you a bad day at work, friends calling you and telling you stories you don't want to hear. Nokar mantra 3 times. Your friend will put down the phone. Yeah, I was holding the mic for so long because I know the minute I hand it over to Deepak Kaka, it's not going to come back to me for another half an hour. So can I please have Deepak Kaka up here to say a few words?
I don't think I've got anything to say today. The message the children gave was very loud and clear to all of us. But Mahavir Jayanti has taken totally a different aspect from what we have experienced many years. Float, we have seen some dancers, but this year was totally different. We went for the Jatra. We saw there was many Jain food that is available. We only don't get roti dal bhat saag. Many things was available to us. In the morning, whether it was afternoon lunch or even dinner, pasta was available, macaroni was available. So we thought, why not? Make it a different menu totally this time. You know, so that was a variety of food that was served. I hope all of you enjoyed the meal. Then came the colors. We thought, what else can we do? Nokar mantra. Then we thought, the colors. Yes, we have to show these colors. And every year, one thing very good is, last 6 months, in fact, every Mahavir Jayanti ends, and we are thinking what else we will do next year. There is little plan what we will do next year. There is a little plan. When times come, we will definitely develop that plan further. But last 6 months, this has been in our head. What will we do for Mahavir Jayanti? So all these good thoughts have been with us. More than that, last 1 month when we have meeting with all these children and adults, of course, they also go home with good thoughts. They only think about Mahavir Jayanti. They don't talk about anything else. Whether they meet in the class or they meet in the afternoon or lunch or dinner, they will only talk about Mahavir Jayanti. And that, I think, it is a very, very positive vibrations that we're giving all of us over here. You can check with Hiren, Milan. These children are not Gujarati speaking children. Yes, their mother tongue is Gujarati, but they are not Gujarati speaking children. Right? But what they delivered over here, I think probably that a very nice drama that comes from India, I think they perform much, much better to them. To all these artists, on behalf of the Damani Parivar, we hats off to you, we bow down to you for a wonderful play that you have put up. And as I said, we'll come up with new programs for next year. Hopefully we'll come with even bigger, better and nicer program for all of us over here. Now I would like to thank first the patron of our entire event over here, the Gujarati Association, Vilai Persekutuan and Selangor. Being the patron, they gave us all the guidance and support that we wanted. At any one time, we just call the president, the vice president, the treasurer. Whatever support that we wanted, we were given. We thank to all of you for the support and guidance you have given to all of us. To the choreographers for the Namokar Mantra dance, which was shown in colors today. Sonal Bagra, a big thank you to you. To the choreographers of the drama, Saroj Ablani, Saroj Babi, Jitesh Shah, and of course, our little one. She's not little. She looks little, but I bet you she's not little. Thank you, darling. Sonia Shah, she did a fantastic job. Just to inform all of you, look at the love, the attachment, the love that they have. Whether it was for me, I do not know, but I can assure it was the love for Mahavir Jayanti, the love for the Lord Mahavir. She finishes her work at 7:38. She takes the monorail, LRT, whatever. She comes down at the train station. Somebody is picking her up. She comes to my residence, does the practice over there, have little bites over there, and practices goes up to 1 o'clock midnight. 1 o'clock midnight, we are just still writing scripts, we are discussing, and next morning, 8:45 she has to punch card. So when she has to punch card at 8:45, she has to wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, right, to get her things done before she reaches the office. This is the commitment, the love that they have given to us, right? We thank to all of you over here. Also, there were many others, apart from the stage performance, there were many other supporting members who helped us in the entire Mahavir Jayanti event. I'll fail if I forget them. All the gifts, normally all the years, we will buy the gifts, and it takes lots and lots of time to choose what we should buy for them, a token of appreciation. Payal did a fantastic job. Thank you to you, Payal. Meeta Sheth, Rajeshri Poptani, who came here for the deco, to also Sharmila Damani for the deco, who have assisted in our house. Then comes to the sweets that we are prepared at home, right? We also need assistance. Then of course, Harsha Pavi Damani, who came to assist us. Also our family members, but I will fail if I don't mention the names. Then to put up all this deco, to do the logistic, we had